Hello. Hope you're doing well. How's it going? I hope you're doing well. Again. So, we will start like in 1-2 minutes. We're gonna talk about like crypto as always. We're gonna talk about some indexes, gold, Forex, of course. So you will be prepared like for next week. Also, one more thing that I forgot to send. Yeah, this one. Trading news. It's like very important thing that you have to track as a trader. Okay. So let me see. Yeah. Moments. Okay, guys. So let's start. Today we're gonna talk about, as always, we'll start with Bitcoin. What happened in the past week, and what I expect, like our expectation. So let's go like a 3 months like chart. Yeah, it's like clear test. So right now we just came into like nowhere in 3 months, but it's kind of 60% candle. It's kind of huge. So right now in like 2 months we're like in this order block. On the monthly, yeah, we're still on the block. On the weekly time frame, yeah, we feel this inefficiency and came to this order block, huge order block. So what I can expect here, let me mark it for you. It's more like from classical analysis. Yes, this one probably. had like better chart like somewhere. Oh, this is good too. This is more like classic analysis. Let me move it. So we'll see like when this formation will be over, but more likely we will see like this scenario. I have like two scenarios for BTC, so we can go like something like this, like slowly going down. Let me mark it like this. We're gonna slowly bleeding till like 36, 34k. It will be like slow, like probably like next like 1-2 months. And I wish this will happen. And this is my expectation, and I'm gonna pray for it. And second option, we're gonna nuke like this. With this option, which like I don't want, I won't be worried about like BTC, because my support zone for BTC is that I will start like worried for this instrument, like for trading. When we drop, hello, when we drop below this SFP zone. SFP zone is like, it's basically an efficiency zone that, oh, one second. Oh, nice. My position is pumping on bonk. Never mind. So SFP zone, this is a zone like that price being like inefficient for like long period of time. You see, every time when we came into the zone, close to the zone, we have like huge candle, and we never closed inside of this zone. I mean, like body of the candle like never closed inside the zone. Look at how accurate this is, right? This is like you have to keep in mind. So if we drop below the zone, I will start worrying about like Bitcoin, and I will start like thinking about like short positions. Like for now, we had 1, 2, 3, so almost like 8 weeks, 8 green weeks in a row. What can happen? We can slowly like going up, take liquidity from this high, and then slowly going down. In this scenario, it will be perfect like for alts, because alts will start pumping, such as like Bonk, right? Such as Bonk, GTO, like Super, all alts that I'm currently trading, and I have like big bag of it. Will start pumping like hard. If you remember, like we have this topic, long-term crypto investments, a link. Been posting about like link when it was, it's like 1 hour, when it was $7. Right now it's 16. So I've been saying, and also on the streams I've been saying about link right here at $7. So if you just put your money and just forget about like your positions, you've been up like 120%. Another position that we expected, it was LDO at we've been buying at 1.5, and as you remember, it went up like 60% so far. XRP, like it's XRP, will keep going up. APT 6.5, APT 6.5, it's 8.4, it's then still not over. So like my expectation is at least still 11.5. But as you can see, we're currently up like 40%, and this is like guarantee positions that you don't need to pay attention at all. So you just like bought it and you keep it. XLM like still the same, but I'm expecting it like way higher, something here, at least till this weekly imbalance. So this is like your chance to buy, because it's about to like do breakout right here, and it will pump. It's on a weekly, it will take like some time, but at least it's good. So as I said and I mentioned about like BTC, my expectation like we're slowly going up and then slowly going down. This is a good scenario, and the bad one, which is a nuking, like crushing like this. I don't like crushes because it shows that like seller start be more active, and this is not a good sign. Like here we have only like buyers, but volume is kind of low, you see. So I would expect something more, because look at the amount of volume here. People have been buying a lot here. For the best, this is like this one. We have this meme. This one. Where is it? Fuck. We had this meme here. Yeah,
don't let me leave, Murph! No! 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 No!
Yeah. So don't do this. Don't do this, okay? Especially when you see like a lot of volume and you see like a big support zone. It's like setting right here. It's a consolidation. You can see this kind of type of consolidation. The best example, like Luna, you see like with slow consolidation, we have slow consolidation. Another one, it's like Shiba. This is like good buy too, so it will go like higher for sure. It's very technical. Another one I saw, Shiba, Luna. This one. This one is good too. This consolidating. You have to like look at something like this. Beam been consolidating too. Let's look at the beam. On another. Where is this beam? Beam. Coinex. Yeah, look at this. See this consolidation. It's been like consolidating with a good volume. Look at this. Look at this volume. Like when it's dropping like this with a low amount of volume, you don't even care. Same. Look at the amount of volume like right here. Have to pay attention to the volume when you're trading crypto, because it's very important. See, like we're going up and like volume going up. This is not good. When we come into this zone, like to like highest point, you like volume should like going down. It's not going down. It's going up. You have to notice it. Like, for example, this one. Look at this. It's been how long it's been consolidating, and it's not over. It will go like up higher, way higher, and just as the beginning. Let's go like on 1 hour, and look at this. I've been trading it. Look at this. This can be like your support. It's called like vertical spread analysis. This is like, it helps you to identify pumps coins like this. Another good example, this one. Look, and this is about to pump too. Look. This is a trend line. You just like set stop limit order on this high, and you have to identify move, right? So your first target will be this one, 1.6 zone. What it can also be this one. What you can do, you can just like split your order. You can just take like 50% at 1.6 and then hold it, because if you like look at the daily time frame, it has like it has like room to grow. Yeah, it has room to grow at least like this high. So you can just let's mark it. So like this is gonna be like first target, right? Also this one can be first target. This fair value gap. So it can go up like till 110% or like 300%. Best example, like look at bank. Yeah, it's a new listing, but still, it's possible. It's like 200%, almost 300%. Another good example, like big time, 600%. It's still like possible to make money right now. So look at Ordi. Ordi went up like 260%. GTO, it's kind of bearish already. I wouldn't like trade it at all for now. Big time, like it's literally right now in the zone. If we're talking about like global markets, if it's talking global, it's like if we take a global Fibonacci net, it's in discount zone right now. It's like in 0.5 fib. This is like what you want to see when you like open like one position. You start building your position not in premium market, which is this one. You start building it in discount zone, this one. Okay. I also like to explain like how to use like fib, and made like short video how like we traded based like on fib and vertical spread analysis right here on this coin XCM. We don't publish like every like trade we do, because what we're doing is just playing with like bots, like Fibonacci bots. What you're doing, for example, this one, it's like our trade right now. You identify like trend, right? This is support bar. It's like main bar with that broke previous level with a higher volume, and like 4 hours is okay. See, we can remove it. This one. Next one, you identify another bar. This one with a high volume, and you mark Fibonacci zone like this. And look at like how perfectly it bounced out of 0.5 fib. My entry was right here, and it just ball just does it. And my take will be in 0.25 Fibonacci. That's it. This is how you trade it. Another coin that you can just buy and hold for a long period of time. This one. This is accumulation, like on the daily time frame. So first target will be this one. See, we've been accumulating for almost a year, and it's about to do like breakout. You can enter position with a huge stop. Yes, your stop will be about like 20%, but it's 1 to 5 trade. Yes, it will take like 1 to 2 months like to like play out, but it's super safe. because I doubt like it will like look like this. I doubt, like, only if it's gonna be like black swan event, only like this. So, and okay, 1 second. 1 second. So one second. One sec. I just need to open position really quick. Okay, let's go back. So as you can see, what we have here, we have like this consolidation for some period of time, which happened in discount market between 0.38 and 0.23 zone, which is like discount. And right now it's about like to do breakout, and like volume like going down. This is what you want to see, and volume going down. You don't want to see like on Adam. Where is this? So look at this. ADA is like perfect example. It was in 5 minutes. Yeah, that's one. Let me show you. This is kind of like breakouts you don't want to take. This is a classic technical analysis, but it works like really well on crypto. If you mix it with smart money, understand like with like about like liquidity plus vertical spread analysis. So when you see like grow like this, it's fine. But what you don't want to see, like look at this. So how it plays this, and how it grow on this coin. Look how clean and smooth this is. Going up, slowly going down, like as normal reaction. Going up, slowly going down, up, slowly going down, and then bump again. Look at another. Yes, we bumped, but then we aggressively going down. This is what hello Hannah. This is what you don't want to see when you trade like crypto in general, and like any coin, like any asset. When you see aggressive like selling, or if you're shorting, you don't see aggressive buying. You wanna see like slow growth, or like slow like pullback, like this one, perfect example. Look at this, how fast we went up and how slow we're going down. You can just even like look amount of bars, right? It's from the lowest, well, from breakout, right? 2 bars, like 2 candles, and then we going down like the lowest point, 38 bars. 38 bars we're going down, and 2 bars we're going up. It means like we have a very strong buyer. Okay, so, and look at another. This is like breakout, but breakout not in volume. And also, you see, every like red candle, black in my case, been like on a higher volume, especially this one. This is the first sign that you're not looking for longs anymore. Maybe like you open like short if you want to. Like for example, on this, it was fake breakout, and then we went up and gave like test. It was, I wasn't home. It was yesterday. The short, this one, and target like closest liquidity. This one. This is how you trade it. Привет, Илья. Привет. Если что, можешь по-русски тоже задать вопрос. Okay, so next one. For example, why I didn't take like trade here? Why I didn't wait for pullback? Look at this. Look at these candles. Look at this. Look how strong seller here. That's all. I took my last trade right here, so it was my last trade, and my target was 1.6 feet. That's it. I don't want to be greedy, so I filled my position on this breakout. Stop like was on this bar, and my target was 1.6. I could have like been more greedy and put my stop here, but I'm okay. I'm okay to take less profit, but this is gonna be a guaranteed trade. Even with like 1.6, 1.1, it's fine. If I'm going in like with 1%, I'm gonna gain like 1%. It's fine. Okay, let me see. This is like trade we took. Oh, look at the amount of volume here. It's like really good sign. We will see at the end of the stream where we're going with this trade. But it looks like really nice. Okay, let's talk about DXI. What we see on daily. By the way, like I have a monthly prediction on DXI, like in our Discord. It was in fundamental analysis. Yeah, this one. I brought everything that I wrote my thoughts about like DXI, and also I have short, yeah, this one, DXI forecast for December, like where I said that we're gonna take like, it was like here. I said that first target will be this previous weekly high, and specifically this high, which is like what happened in the past like 2 weeks. And next, what I'm looking at is this like fill of this like a 0.5 FG on weekly time frame, if not mistaken, or like 3 days. Yeah, 3 days time frame. And if like I see somebody like reverse pattern and we're going like lower, next target will be this like equal lows. But after this, I'm expecting like fill, and we're going like higher. Because if we're gonna have deviation, like test of the deviation, test of this deviation, so we're going like lower, and we're gonna like test this one. This is gonna be like extremely bullish, because when you trade range, it's basically like Wyckoff type 2 accumulation. So if we're going like this, I will like short like euro or like British pound, and like short like stock market with like high risk, because this is extremely confident sign, like for like in trading, like especially when you trade range. This is like Wyckoff, it's a bit like hard to understand, like hard to learn, but when you get it, it works like perfectly, like on any time frame. But ideally like 50 minutes and like higher. But on daily, especially on the DXY, like on Forex market, especially on gold as well. This like assets, they love to form ranges, and basically it's a range market, and you have to know how to trade inside the range, and how to trade range in general. If you like turn it like back, this is gonna be like my next target. Because if we look at the euro right now, as you can see, like I never like tell like exactly like my trade, like what I expect from specific like trade, and never like give you exact like numbers, because I like decide what I will trade and where price will go, like when I have like all information, especially when the week will open, because weekly open, like daily open, New York midnight levels, those like levels like are very important like to me in my analysis as well. By the way, like don't forget to like and subscribe, it will help me a lot. Channel like will grow, and like other people will be able to find the stream. Okay, let's get back to like DXY. I mark these zones, and as you can see, I like set special like icons like where I will be looking at like some position. Because right now, if like we open like chart like on like 4 hours, it can like go up. But also we have like a bit of liquidity like down here. It's still like uptrend on like even like on 4 hours. No, it has like market shape but doesn't have like a record market structure. It's like touched it like twice. And also like if we're talking about classic analysis, covered handle, which is extremely bullish. But I don't like really like trade the classic analysis, only for crypto. TMF. Okay, let's like check for TMF. Подожди. Oh. Well, so have to wait for some, maybe if I find better trade. Oh. No, not TMF, TMF, okay. Okay, let's start with like 3 months. Like, not so much history, like it respects like gaps. It has reactions out of those gaps. So let's mark first fair value gap. Yeah, like you see the volume as well. Let's go on the weekly. Let's go on monthly first. It's been tested. Do you have order block here? If they короче, если они нивелируют этот ордер-блок, тогда будет пиздец. Тогда это будет пробьет и полетит вверх. Yeah, so order block here. Let's look on the daily. I don't. Like we have liquidity here, like tons of liquidity, and like I don't like these charts. We have break of market structure on a daily, so we turn around, so it will keep going up. It's hard to identify like structure like this. This looks like correct. This was range. This was range. This one. No, it's trash. I don't like this price action, but if we're looking at looking right now at the chart, just by looking, look at this, because this one is awful, just awful. Okay, это блядь говно полное, вот эта вот часть. Here like окей, здесь более-менее еще так. Здесь уже разворот пошел. What I would like wait here, just like for some like pullback, like this. Formation was like high and low, and then keep going up. So something like this, small pullback. Here, this is like this area, discount, okay. Good stuff. Короче, просто ждешь pullback примерно куда-нибудь сюда, и тогда уже можно дальше работать. Пока что позиции нет. Sorry, like I've been spoken in Russian a bit, because it's probably like better for guy who asked a question. So, yeah, as I was saying about like DXI, I just like want to see like some reverse like pattern. Right now it's like, extremely bullish to me. That's why I want to like see like how weak will be open, because right now it's like going like normal reaction. It can just like go up like this, or what it can happen, it will nuke and slowly going like down. And because if we look at the euro, it was like news event. It's like news. We also have like some news, like 4 days of news like this week. And what I need it was like this was market shift, bigger market structure, like everything like what I wanted, and I went like 1% here, and market just like, and also it was right here, and also it was like normal reaction, like build of liquidity, and went down on the news. But still, we in a deep discount market, we're still in uptrend on a high time frame, and what can happen and what I expect, what I will be waiting for some like reaction out of the zone. So we're going lower to take this previous weekly low, right? And if I see this and I see like some reaction out of this zone, I will be opening like long position after like breakout of this lower high, right? So this here will be lower low. When we're breaking up, here will be a higher high. So because right now we're in a zone, we're in a discount market, in the golden pocket, like we had like some manipulation, and we can also go in like up from here, which is like completely fine. Yes, previous weekly low might be taken, not gonna lie, it can happen. Might not be taken, this can happen, but who cares? Market doesn't owe me anything, so I'm okay with it. Now, if we fail like this level, we will keep like lower. We will keep going like lower, like way lower. Maybe like this will be like first target, this one, but I doubt it, and probably will keep going higher. Because Dixie, again, like it all depends on Dixie, right? Next one. Next one is gold. Like for gold, I have few notes. Like for you guys. So these are zones, so they're gonna be expecting some reaction. Let's go like on 15 minutes. I don't think like we will go like lower from here. First zone that I will be expecting something. This one. If I'm not mistaken. No, this one. I probably marked it. Oh fuck. What's this one? This one. This first zone that I will be expecting some like reaction, because we have like low liquidity here for people who have been shorting the gold, because they will try to like shoulder it way lower. I don't want to go like higher, like with so I don't want to see like this like breakout like this. I don't want to see like something like this. But liquidity from like this high can be taken from this one, and this is what you have to pay attention to. This one. Let's like mark it with $1. Okay. Dollar. Okay. This one. Also have like some like imbalance here in the golden pocket as well. And we have order block right here, But again, I don't want to go any higher. Yeah, it can just pump on a news or something like this, then go like down, because we had deviation on a monthly time frame on the gold. This is deviation. We hide all drawings. Like, look at this, how we closed on the, how like it look on the monthly. If it closes on the monthly like this, oh my god, it's gonna go test like this deviation. And when it goes like to this specific zone, oh boy, I will go in like 5% or so, because as I said, test of this deviation is huge. It's huge. Okay. Next one. By the way, guys, like if you have like any questions, like feel free to ask. I will be happy to answer on your questions. Let's check like our positions. Looks nice. Yeah, as I said, like locally, I'll be expecting some like reaction here. Also, let's mark previous like weekly low, because I don't think we will take previous weekly high, which is like this one. It's like super high. Yeah, it's like super high, and I don't think it will be ever taken in near future, at least like near like couple months, because we close like super bearish on the weekly time frame. So it's in the daily, and probably will slowly go down, so flow will continue, something like this. This is like my expectation like for gold. Okay, let's go like indexes. Let's like check indexes. So on indexes, nothing like happened basically. Like this week was awful like to trade, because if you look at this like price action on like past week, it's let's like look at Wednesday. Yeah, this is like last week. Oh, let me mark it. This one and this one. Like, look at this like price action of the past week and the week before. Yeah, that's marked like week before. And this one as well. Like, how do you want to trade it? This is my question. Like, if you have like any idea, welcome to share with me. I will be happy to hear. That's why like in the past like 2 weeks I haven't opened a single trade on like stock market, because when like indexes stuck like this, like you don't wanna open a single position. It was like wasn't bearish here. I've been longing, I've been scalping like mostly, specifically when I saw like this like pullback, and we took like this liquidity, and this is where I've been longing, and my target was like this high. Also I could have like long till this high. This is what ICT did. It was like his trade, but I've been scalping all the way here, I took like this trade and this one. I noticed that like recently it's been like very easy to trade on 1 minute time frame, because if we look at the chart like this, it's like normal reaction, but we didn't have like market shift, but have like build of liquidity right here. And what you can do, you can just like set like long position. This is gonna be like your long position, right? You just like wait for breakout. Yeah, it like broke, so you can start build your position, and that's it. That's all. This was the trade basically. When you see like somewhere pull back and you identify like substructure, ideally you could have like wait for a breakout of this high, and your stop will be under this low, and take will be higher. This will be like super safe. This one too. Also, it was like really good Skypes on the euro as well. We took this liquidity, and your target was like this high. Like, see, kind of simple, like trade like on 1 minute of like 15 like 30 seconds time frame. So my expectation for Nasdaq, like that's like marks like some zones. We still have this high that hasn't been taken. If we go on like a low time frame, this price action is so fucking awful, just insane. Like this. We took like all this liquidity here. Like if we not like turning back, if we're not like turning like this, that like to take liquidity like from lower, then it means it's probably was accumulation, and we will go like higher. There will be some terality like to all-time high, which is like this one, and all like market will like skyrocket. And when we get there, oh boy, we will like nuke hard, because we have all these kind of zones, and all indexes, they all the time close in like their fair value gaps all the time. All the time. Let's just check some shares. AMD, like I have no idea what the fuck was going on. Like on a weekly, yeah, it was like normal reaction, it was perfect entry right here. I took like some entry here, but I closed like too early at 112. But I took like 16%, which is like fine. But I didn't understand what happened like right here, because we have a regular market structure. It was like slowly going down. Look at like Nvidia. It's like our trade on Nvidia. We closed it at this level because it was like 1 to 2, which is like was completely fine to me. But it was clean at least. And now it's like uptrends, like gain. Same here, so it's like just was like small correction. It was a good trade on this is like only one trade that I took. It was like trade on Microsoft. So as you can see, we have 1 second, 30 minutes. Yeah, so we have this fair value gap here, As you can see, it's like closed, like kind of closed inside. I've been entering like here position here. My target was fulfill of this fair value of this gap, just open gap. By the way, like I don't remember like time. I've been trading like 14 years. I don't remember time when like Microsoft like opens with 1%. That's a fucking unbelievable. Like just 1% gap, without news, without anything, just 1%. Kinda crazy to me. And now it's like still like going up, so whatever. So if you want like trade like stock market, I would recommend like trade some like big companies such as like AMD, Tesla. Tesla is very technical. By the way, like look at this market share, like Tesla is FFG and target like this this gap gain. $1 to $2.5. I sent it to like my friend. He just made good money of it. He just like sold some puts at this level. Nvidia is good like to trade as well. I wouldn't trade like Meta and like or anything else. Specifically, I wouldn't trade like Visa and MasterCard, because the thing is about like this, like two shares, they connect to like Nasdaq and Dow at the same time. So if you like open Dow, like Dow sometimes can do like some weird shit, and like just look, what the fuck is this? Just what the fuck is this? It's like equal highs and no liquidity like below, but we have the gaps lower. I have to like look how it will open, because it can do like this easily. Just need to wait. Market open. It's probably that's it for today. Well, like we've been talking. This is my position on Bonk. Just played out well. I see, like just like wait for more like market shift and we can go. This was market shift. Test. Like look at this. Test of this like fair value gap. This one. 0.5. Using like Fibonacci to identify discount market. 0.5, exactly at 0.5, and D long here. That's it. That's simple. After that, I just identify coins with a good like price action. Like such as this one. Bonk is good here. Also Solana was a nice choice, but entry was on like 5 minutes. Yeah, this is like new entry right here. It was okay till like this highs. Luna Classic didn't have like entry here, but after this pump I entered my position right here and just closed it on this highs right here. So it's like 1-to-1 trade. Already is good one as well. Pay attention on the meme, because meme in consolidation right now. Meme in consolidation right now, and you have to pay attention on this coin. And also like this bar. Okay. If you pay attention on my streams, I said how to trade like these assets, because you cannot do like classic trades, right? Like you just open, like break out, like you put your stops like under like last low. Ideally you have to put your stops right here 60%, and your target will be like this high 1.3 or like this one. What I do, I'm like splitting my order and like DSAing into specific set. I'm putting like my first order in 0.5 fib or like 0.6 fib, like 20% of like my position. For example, I'm putting, let's say like 10%, okay, that's 10%. I will put like 2% right here, 3% on 0.5 fib, and also will put 50% as insurance and 0.382. Sometimes I can like move it. I will like start like 20% and 0.5 fib, then 30% and 0.38 fib, and my insurance will be right here, and my stop will be under low. With this tactic, I always will get filled. So what happened with this, for example, with Pendle. My position, like 20% of my position was filled on 0.5 fib, and now I'm currently in a position like from here, and I will be closing at this highest. And as you can see, I already moved my stop. This was my stop. If I was wrong, like my stop would have been here, and my average entry will be here, and my target like this support line. And doesn't matter what is going on, like I will be safe, because if this order just like 20% of like my entire position will be filled like on this level. Let's open. We've been talking to Mama. Like 20 position will be like filled like here, 30% will be here, and my average entry will be this zone. If something happens, like for example some shakeout and price will go down, I have like insurance of like 50%, and my entry will be on this level. And you can just look at, for example, this is what happened on GTO yesterday. We have, like I have orders like this, and all 3 orders will be be activated. What happened? I have like yeah, like this. I have like orders like this, and all 3 orders were activated. My average entry was like right here. So even like it was a huge drop, I closed even like in a small profit. This is the power of this tactic. I explained it about like this tactic on last week. So pay attention on our streams, as you can find like a lot of useful information. Okay guys, anyway, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the stream. Don't forget to like and subscribe, so like other people will be able to find the stream. And see like tomorrow in the Discord, or like later in Discord.